Making antonyms your allies. A new path to vocabulary expansion. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of vocabulary learning, the role of antonyms. Understanding antonyms, or words with opposite meanings, can significantly aid in expanding your vocabulary. So let's embark on this exciting journey to enhance our language skills. Antonyms are words in a language that have contrasting or opposite meanings. Examples of antonyms include happy and sad, hot and cold, or fast and slow. By learning antonyms, we not only learn the direct meaning of the words but also their counterparts, effectively doubling our vocabulary learning rate. The significance of antonyms in vocabulary expansion cannot be overstated. They enhance our language comprehension and expression by allowing us to see the full spectrum of meanings that a language can convey. Furthermore, antonyms help us sharpen our understanding of the words we know. For instance, by learning that opaque is the antonym of transparent, we grasp more about the meaning of both words. Lastly, they allow us to communicate more effectively. Being aware of antonyms helps us avoid repetition in our speech or writing and keeps our audience engaged. One of the most efficient ways to use antonyms for vocabulary expansion is by associating them with the words you are learning. For example, if you're learning the word profound, you might remember it more easily by also learning its antonym, superficial. Another technique is contextual learning. Try to use antonyms in sentences or in response to questions. For instance, if someone asks, "Is it going to be hot today?" you could answer, "No, it's going to be quite cold." This way, you're practicing both hot and cold in a real-life situation. In conclusion, antonyms are powerful tools for expanding your English vocabulary. They offer a double reward. Learn one word, and you get to understand its opposite too. They also help in creating a well-rounded understanding of the words you're learning. Remember, every word has its opposite, and knowing both can take your language skills to the next level. Keep practicing, and you'll master this in no time. Until next time, happy learning!